I've just finished doing my
face.
Yeah.
I repair skin.
With Prof. Xanya, I repair skin. And
What do you think?
I was surprised again. Yesterday I was surprised. Now I'm surprised more because in one time treatment, one treatment, have my skin rejuvenate, and my face lifts up. My face looks younger. My skin looks younger.
Lighter too, yeah?
Lighter and
very much lighter.
Very much, and it. I was surprised because my face is like lifts up, very lifts up.
Your eyes are more open too.
Yeah, yeah. My eyes open and the wrinkles are gone, and my panda eye has gone too. Yeah, my panda eyes has
the darkness
gone
too.
Yeah,
the dark under the eye.
yeah.
Dark
I'm
circles.
very happy. I was surprised because I never knew the machine like this. Yes, it's true. I experienced myself.
Well,
yes.
It's the first one in Lavalin. It's going to be the first one, the first machine in Lavalin.
Yes, the first Lavalin also is very amazing machine. Only one time and I got the result very amazing.
That's the eye repair skin.
Yeah. Combine two machines will be very amazing.
Virtual gel and
eyes.
That's right. Yeah.
Eye face skin. Yeah.
Because of the detox.
Yeah, the detox. Then if we do the eye face skin machine, they will work very better.
Well, after this, detox.
After detox, then we do the lift up.
The lift up. Yeah, exactly.
And it will work. It will work better.
Much better.
Much better.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You are so
Thank you.
amazing.
Thank you.
You did the magic here.
Yeah. Okay. Stop.
Thank
Is
you.
Is it on? Yes. Okay.
Thank you for Prof. Xanya and Miss Lina, right? For bringing the magic here, because I'm feeling that I'm more powerful. I like my new body now.